Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Pooler here from Ferris Library Media Center. I am going to go over how you will find the information on the CDC website for the COVID-19 positive and negative test results and how many deaths there have been and how you can actually search them through the website. So, I gave you the website in your question of the day. So you're going to go ahead and bring yourself there. I'm sorry, let me find the question. Question is right here. Okay, so here is your website that you would go to, the CDC website. So you're going to go to the live updates. I gave you the direct link. So as you see, this is March 31st. You guys won't be seeing this until April 2nd. So these numbers will change. So as of today, March 31st at 1 p.m. in New Jersey, we have 18,696 positive test results and 27,077 negative test results with 267 deaths. Now that's for the entire New Jersey. That's for all of New Jersey. So if you take a look over here in the left-hand side, you'll see the actual counties. It's broken down into counties, and they automatically start with the highest number of positive test results, which is Bergen County, which we've been actually hearing in the news. Remember, it is so important to use these reliable sources. You cannot listen to Facebook or Instagram. You really need to do your own homework and your own research. Again, the CDC is .gov when you look at it, so you know that the government is actually monitoring those websites. Okay, so for today, which is March 31st, 2 days prior to when you will be doing the work, you will see here is Hudson County. We are third, and this is more likely because we are more densely populated. So down here, oh, sorry, if you scroll down here, in the other counties, you'll see Salem County, Cape May County, Cumberland County. They are more down to the southern part of New Jersey, and they're not being as hard hit. We are closer to New York, which is being slammed right now. So the question, if you were to do the question for today, April 2nd, the answer would be here, but it's going to be a different number because it'll be 2 days from now. So you want to make sure you look on this page, and under Hudson County, Jersey City is located within Hudson County. For today, the answer would be, for March 31st, the answer would be 1,606. For April 2nd, you guys will be the ones telling me what the answer is there. Okay? Well, I hope everyone is staying healthy. Stay inside. Follow all of the guidelines. You're 6 feet apart from people. Isolate if you're not feeling well. Stay away from people who aren't feeling well. And hopefully we'll see you soon, okay? We miss you. All the teachers miss you. And we hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.